Well, we've just come to Honda City, and we've just cut the high security key, and we're going to see if this works. It does. So now we'll program it into the car. Let's make sure it does work the ignition, and it does. So now all we need to do is program in a transponder and we'll be finished with this job. Okay, so just putting a transponder into there. I'm just going to go read. So you can see it is in crypto mode. So we're going to change it now into password mode, which is in the configuration of the transponder. And we're going to read the configuration of the transponder. Okay, that's read. Change that, write it. Okay, we're going to read it again. And let's read it again. Okay, let's go back. Take the other transponder. Alright, let's go to program keys. Two transponders are required. And ignition off, ignition is off. Try and hold this at the same time. Switch the ignition off. Switch ignition on with the next key, grab the next transponder, switch ignition off, so if this doesn't work after this, I'm going to put this car on the battery charger. Switch ignition off, switch ignition on with the same key. The immobiliser light is still flashing. Did the light go out? No, it didn't. So let's put this car on charge. Okay, so the problem was two of the transponders that I was using was actually bad. So we've now got two keys. The immobiliser light goes straight off. Give it a sec. And we'll try it with the other key. Immobiliser light goes off. Car starts. So there we have it. Go round and round in circles with two bad transponders, and that's the reason why it wouldn't program in. So all keys lost. 2009 Honda City, all done. Cheers, thanks for watching.